How do I get more orders on Shopify? If you have ever asked yourself this question, you are not alone. And I'm going to show you exactly how to answer it. Today, I'm going to show you how to boost conversions, lower bounce rate, and build real credibility with your customers. Plus, I'll introduce you to some amazing Shopify apps that makes running your store way easier. So let's begin. Strategy number 1, make an amazing first impression. Okay, imagine that for a second. You into a physical store, the shelves are messy, products are scattered everywhere, the lighting is terrible, and you can't find anything what you are looking for. What you do? You walk right back out, right? That's exactly what happens with your Shopify store. If it looks messy, confusing, or just plain boring, visitors will leave, and they will leave fast. Your store need to look good, not just okay, but actually good, because the first impression, that's everything. So here is what you need to focus on. First, nail your hero section. This is the very first thing people see when they land on your page. Think of it like your store's front window display. You need a strong headline that grabs attention, high quality images that looks professional, and a clear call to action, something like shop now or get 20% off today. Keep it clean, keep it bold, and whatever you do, don't overload it with text. Nobody wants to read a novel when they are shopping. Second, make your design easy on the eye. Now I got it, everyone is not a designer, and that's totally fine because Shopify got you back. Head over to Shopify theme store and you will find tons of professional templates. Some of them are even free. Just pick one that match your brand vibe. Customize the color and fonts and boom, you have got a beautiful store. Third, keep the customers clicking. Don't let people land on page and bounce. You want them exploring, browsing, and discovering more products. So add your product carousels. You might also like sections or featured collections. The longer they stay on the site, the more likely they are to buy something, right? Treat your Shopify store like a real store. Make it welcoming, make it easy for navigate, and make it visually appealing. Strategy number 2, bring visitors back with incentives. Alright, here is a section you have all experienced. You're browsing an online store. You have added something to your cart and then you leave. Maybe you got distracted. Maybe you aren't ready to buy yet. Or maybe you were just browsing. Whatever the reason, you are gone. Now, as a store owner, that's frustrating, right? But here is the good news. You can bring those people back. The secret? Incentives. Everyone loves a good deal. So if someone's about to leave your site without buying anything, give them a reason to come back. Here's what works really well. Offer first time discount or free shipping in exchange of their email address. Think about it, they got a deal and you got their emails, so you can send them reminders, updates, and special offers later. It's a win-win. You can set this up super easily with the Shopify Forms app. It lets you create pop-ups that appears when someone's about to leave your site. Just a simple, hey, get a 10% off at your first order can make all the differences. And while we're talking about keeping customers happy, optimize your checkout process. Don't make it complicated. Reduce the number of steps. Offer multiple payment options like PayPal, Apple Pay, credit cards, and add trust badges so people feel safe giving you their information. The easier and safer you make it to buy from you, the more sales you will get. It's that simple. Strategy number 3, build trust with reviews. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you bought something online without checking the reviews first? Exactly, we all do it. Reviews are like social proof. They tell new customers, hey, other people bought this and loved it, so you probably will like it too. The more reviews you have, the more trust you build, and trust leads you to sell. So, how do we get reviews on your Shopify stores? Step 1, head to Shopify App Store and search for review apps. There are tons of review apps you can see on Shopify App Store. I recommend going with one of the top rated apps like Jasmy or Looks. Many of them offer free plans or free trials, so you can test them out without spending a dime. Step 2, incentivize reviews. People are busy. They are not going to leave a review just because you asked, mostly, right? But if you offer them something in return, like a discount code or enter into a giveaway, they are way more likely to do it. Step 3, show off those reviews. Don't just hide them on your Shopify product pages. Share them on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever your audience hangs out. Let people see that real customers are loving your products. Reviews aren't just about building trust, they are also convince people who are on a fence about buying. So make getting reviews a priority. Now, a bonus tip: Shopify apps that make life easier. Okay, before we wrap up, I want to talk about Shopify apps really quick. Because here is the thing: you don't have to do everything manually. There are hundreds of apps in Shopify App Store that can automate tasks, improve your marketing, and help you manage your store way more efficiently. Some apps are completely free, some cost money, some have specific plans depending on what you need. So, a few of my favorite include Shopify Email for email marketing, Preview for pop up and lead capture, Jasmy for product reviews, Reconvert for upselling and checkout, Kit for automate marketing tasks. These apps can seriously level up your store without you having to become a tech expert. And that's it, everyone. Three simple strategies to help you get more orders on Shopify. 1. Make an amazing fast impression with a clean, easy to navigate store. 2. Bring visitors back with smart incentives and a smooth checkout. And 3. Bring the trust with customer reviews. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor: hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already subscribed, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. We post new e-commerce tips every week. If you got questions, drop them in the comment below or email us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. Because here at Ecomclips, we are all about building this community together and helping each other succeed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. A peace.